Used to like bitches with hair perm, now I like it natural, actual, factual, naps and shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruth Nanda here, coming to you with how I flat iron my hair. I am just wetting my hair with a little bit of aloe vera juice to detangle it for a little bit, and then jump right into these products, the one and only. I've never used those products before, okay? And so this is how my hair looks after I shampooed and conditioned with it. Very nice and moisturizing. It does have protein in it, so which is a great thing before you flat iron your hair, guys. Get that protein in there. And then I am going to use two products, which is the Curler Effect by FEG and the Oat and Honey treatment, and I put those together to give myself a treatment or deep condition before I blow my hair out. So this is how my hair looks with the products in there. And I do apologize about the lighting. It is trash right now. It was getting dark. Y'all know the daylight savings time process. So I'm using my Shea Moisture Leave-In Spray. I've been trying to use more sprays versus actual hand thick products because I don't want it to affect my flat iron process. So yeah, that's what I apply first. And then I go into another product, which is the Bumble and Bumble BB Glow Heat Thermal Protectant. I've never used this product before. I also got this in my influencer box, so I'm definitely trying it. I was a little hesitant because I don't know if it's gonna work as good, but I went and picked up another product that I've used before from Walmart. It's called Found. It's an avocado heat protectant. So I found that at the Walmart year before because I haven't flat ironed my hair in a year, y'all. So yeah, this is how my hair looks, and I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair into two sections so that I can blow it out. I'm just gonna let you guys know in advance, my hair is not bone straight. I already know that, so there's no need to leave it in the description box. My flat iron, my blow dry technique wasn't as straight as possible. I just get real skittish when it comes to doing heat on my hair. So that's the reason why I didn't blow dry it as bone straight, to get like a bone straight flat iron. But it looks fine to me, so that's all that matters. But yeah, I just detangle my hair, brush it through, and then get into blowing out my hair with my attachment on there. So I just start at the ends, like I'm actually combing my hair, start there, and just make my way up with the blow drying process. Like I said, guys, it's not bone straight. You guys will see that later on. And my ends need to be trimmed really, really bad. I actually want layers. So, you know, of course, a flat iron don't never always look good when you have split ends or whatever like that, but I can probably go through and trim those myself. It's just that I want layers. I prefer to just wait and let a professional do that because it's really hard now. My hair is long to do it. So now this is my hair after I've blown it all out, and I am going to use a new item, which is by Conair Pro, the Silk Tool. And yeah, I've never used flat iron before. Got this at the clearance Sally's. Yes, sis, you know, everything got to be on a budget over here. So I went ahead and did that, and I actually like the flat iron. I really, really like it. It makes your hair feel extra silky. So I did start some of my hair already, and I'm just trying to show you guys the front process to see how I actually do my hair. Look at the breakage, y'all. I'm trying to grow my hair back out, so don't judge me. But I'm using a serum. It's called 12-in-1 serum, and I just apply it to my hair after I'm blowing it out to get some shine. You definitely can apply this after your hair it's been flat ironed, but I do it before and I do it a little after. It is what it is. I can do what I want. It's my hair, my products, okay? But I just want to show you guys how I do it. But you are free to do however and whatever you want to do. Okay, so I'm starting on the bottom, taking small sections, okay, pinning everything back. And I do the chasing method. I use the comb through it first, and then make sure I grip my roots real good before I slide it all the way down. One thing I can say about the flat iron, that's this. Your hair feels very airy and light. And let me let you know something. Because my hair's not bone straight, it definitely would revert faster if you have a lot of heat and all of that going on in the bathroom, like me. As you guys can tell, you see how that side got real poofy from the beginning. But yeah, it was a lot of heat going on in there in the sweating process. So I might make a couple passes back through that. But at the end of the day, my hair came out really good. And I liked it. But I did try another flat iron. I think it's like Baby Bliss Pro or something like that. I bought that at the Sally's sale for Black Friday. And I went back through my hair for that. So, yeah, I like the way my hair turned out. It's good enough just for me. I don't want it to be extra bone straight because I want to put some curls in it anyway. My hair is really long and I'm trying to get used to it. So I just wanted to put some curls in it with some flexi rods. If you guys do want to see that video, make sure you thumbs up this video because I will show you guys how I do that. So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of this process. Yeah guys, so towards the end of the video, I'll insert 2 pictures of how my hair looks at the end. I did not get the chance to film it, so there are the pictures down below. So yeah, if you guys are interested in how I do my flexi rods, definitely thumbs up this video. And yeah guys, until next time, kisses from me to you. Bye.